Getting your Massachusetts medical marijuana card with My MMJ Doctor is simpler than you might think. The first step is to select Massachusetts. Click Apply Now and enter your name, email, and phone number. From there, you'll choose your visit type, schedule a time, upload your photo ID, enter your ID details, and make the payment. Next, fill out your basic details like address, gender, birthday, height, weight, and your qualifying condition. You'll also share your health details here and upload medical records if you have them. In Massachusetts, you'll need to provide your social security number and answer a few health and lifestyle questions. Once you're done, sign the confirmation pop-up and your consultation with a licensed doctor will be scheduled. The consultation usually takes 5 to 10 minutes. If approved, your digital medical marijuana certification will arrive in your email, usually within an hour. With your MMJ recommendation, you can register and access cannabis legally, ease symptoms naturally, and save money. Ready to start? Apply now at www.mymmjdoctor.com.